man. Yeah. We're going home. We're already on the toll. Trip cut short, but we'll be back. Hopefully, I want to go back like next week because we miss country.
The country vibe. I miss it too. And go up in the hills just to go relax and ease your mind. Get the fresh oxygen.
Daddy was like, Joel, if I go up there like say a anchovy in there. And yeah, but it will be great. It will be better. I'm hoping to do this thing like a lot more.
Yeah, worthwhile, even annually.
And I think it would be good, like, you know, even just for couples themselves, like have like people that can maybe come in and do like stuff for couples, like to help build us like our relationships like stronger, help us with like our communication and stuff like that. So we'll see, but for the first one, it was great. Our reviews were great.
Amazing.
And everything. We're tired though, man. We're tired. We'll cook everything, but we made sure our guests had an amazing time. That was the ultimate goal.
Ultimate goal, yes. And we have and it was worthwhile. You know?
Amazing. And if you guys are interested in Ivy's townhouse, just the link will be in the description box. Again, tell them that Zoe sent you, and who knows, you can get some dollars off. Not really much to see. Again, we're on the toll. You guys have seen this view a million times. So when we get in, I'll get back. Babe is tired, so I know he ain't gonna record nothing scenic. Yeah. So until next time, guys.
Yeah, now.
People and the sun will blind me, but good morning. Good morning. Guess where we are, guys?
Living.
Guess where we there?
Living.
We're at Dead End. Yes.
Yeah, no, we are living, you know. Dead End, we're going there.
I carry Joel comes to Dead End.
Well, like someone will come around with me, I juby and
yeah. I've been here at night, I've been here in the day, I've been here in the afternoon. Me eat dinner, lunch, one bag of things. Yeah, that's the part where me eat though. Like, no, me eat the crowded part. I love when it just by myself, secluded. But y'all, for y'all who have not been here with me, I don't think we've been here since 2018. Yeah, but that's where we're at. We're in Montego Bay. We've been here for got a few days left. And ting!
Yeah, no.
What is yeah now?
Iron bird alive. Farina. What's the landing?
Welcome to Montego Bay. Watch boat, babe. Watch boat, you not catch a boat. Watch a plane. JetBlue just touched down. How you mean? Oh my God! I wonder how excited those people are on the plane who's coming here for vacation, not the ones that are returning. Well, even the ones that are returning actually. Well, you know how it is when you're coming home. It's like, I'm home, you know? But anyways, I'm gonna make a walk to Starbucks in a bit, you guys, because we have a Starbucks down here and I've been dying to try it. So, yeah. Here. Use a plug. Hot like fire.
Yeah, people.
It's actually not as bad as Fort Worth because I would not have been able to walk so far
Never
comfortably.
Always drive fast, to and from.
Oh God.
So I got Starbucks, which is a good look at distance. So now I have a good look walk to make with it. You know? Yeah, so I have a little gift shop. The Cameron.
Cameron, the resort.
Yeah, the Cameron, them little gift shop. See? Look how many resorts. In case you don't want to come chill and just relax while my excitement. I step on the beach because we just pass the beach part, so they must have beach views. Oh, me hear about it too, the camera now. People, all kind of vehicle run taxi down here, sir. It's a beam and I see a red plate pan. That's how the blood clot this a movie me show. Yo, I want to hype over beam and red. Beam and red plate down here, eh? That's how Benz me say. Me here back. Joke that even a Toyota when you good.
Toyota for nice over there?
No. You know man, if I can't walk on board, so the journey is longer. That's it. Baby mother, you know, in the future. Hello to the vlogs, baby. Come on. You that in a few. It's truly true. See it there? The Cameron Carnival Beach Resorts. Yeah, baby, we so reach Buckstar. You know that bad, baby, like, it's the tracks on record there. Records, fan tracks. Father Yoga. No, not today, I'll come back. And next time. Alright, so hello to the vlogs. Alright, see the store, then I'll come check it out and I'll come and send you. Shopping. Check them out, people. Yeah, when you come, see there? Yoga place. So they can come meticulous scrutinize them. Pass the yoga. Scrutinize. Like time to learn them two words and just say, you hear me? Mix them up in my one. Man say, how you doing, Bobby? Come here, have a list of bank on it. Man, it's about 3 different things. I know that 3 of them are right there.
Oh my God, Starbucks.
Oh, you're so rich.
We made it! Oh wow, babe, there's Deja. I've heard about Deja resorts too. Starbucks! You're so... So guys, we got our Starbucks! Yes! I got Starbucks in Jamaica. I'm so excited! Wait, they spelled my name. Z-O-U-I. So yeah, we're heading back to the car now. Babe, I want you to try it. I want to get... I got a small one because I don't know. You're so annoying. Come try it. Let's get your reaction in.
You know them something wrong before me.
Is it plastic?
Bam! Boom! Baby tastes good.
Okay.
You have that sour something in it. What am I saying? Passion?
No, mango and strawberry. Strawberry acai.
Oh, that's why that give the sour taste.
Maybe.
Mango for that taste.
Maybe.
That's sour instead. I'll put strawberry on chop.
Yeah. Vex me get more strawberry.
Oh man, this have a steak we eat for dinner.
Dinner? Jola, you mad? This is gonna drink and done. What is wrong with you?
Oh, you are done here?
About dinner. Anyways, please to open my straw for me, sir. Thank you so kindly.
I'm getting here.
Actually, yeah, because I haven't tried this one yet.
People, them get more strawberry than me. I'm vex more that. That part there alone, I'm vex more. Come. Ready? Put on the strawberry on top, people. Them give me less.
Wow.
Them go around the thing.
Very refreshing, guys.
Yeah, that I love, and it have the sour. You know, I love this. Sourness to drinks and refresh. We can't get the bag of sweet, flat sweet taste.
Facts.
No. You know, like when juice stands.
You love sweet juice. You know where you're
No, babe, like
Babe.
tongue and I mix. Why?
No, me.
Slang. I forget that juice, they're different name.
What's wrong with tongue?
No, that's so too close to song. Hold this now. What now?
Tongue and tongue?
Hold this, may I draw my pants?
Song and tongue.
Oh
Boy. Anyways, guys, I'm tired. I'll talk to y'all when I get back to the car. Y'all, we have been stuck in traffic for the last literally like 20 minutes. Yeah. You can't see. Like, and there's so much behind me. You guys can't even fully see everything. Literally, we've been here stuck. And we don't even know what's going on. I just seen a wrecker pass with a car. Like that it was an accident, yeah, and the police were right behind, so I'm assuming that's what it was. But I don't understand why this side is moving and nothing. Like, we've barely moved. Like, we've barely moved, bruh. Do you guys see the time? Curfew is at 2 o'clock. Okay? Okay. Yo, can you imagine living... Did I try to listen? But yeah, guys, as I was saying, can you imagine living on top of like one of these hills? Like, look how far up you gotta walk to your house, bro.
Exercise.
Especially like that one up there. Jesus Christ. Well, no, people. Well, no, people. We can see what is keeping. Wait, I see brake lights. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oops. Oh. Too good to be trues. Watcha. Yeah, man. Too good to be trues. Yo. Well, people, that was the furthest we drive from a come. Like, we move somewhere now. Jeez. Vlog lock for truth. People may want to catch a shop. I don't know if that's gonna happen.
Buy some stuff
I just only come on.
For all our vibes. Drink.
You know.
Live, you know?
Let's see what happens. Let's see how long.
Yeah, the Starbucks was good enough, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, meticulous is good.
basically. I just want to go up and scoop out my strawberries and eat. Watcha.
Fancy you most of my strawberry.
More go home, go just scoop them out, put them on my,
I put them in the fridge.
put them on my ice cream cake.
Yeah. Mother of my child.
Joel, tell me nice, no better.
In the future.
As you can meticulously scrutinize, we are tired of hearing you say these things.
Prophecies. Speak it in the atmosphere, you know? Cosmic class.
Guys,
Cosmic order. Stuff, you know?
what is keeping? I can't remember listening to some music. I'll just
Yeah,
speed
so
it up.
they could have
I'll speed it up. At
Zizi.
people, cook in the people them kitchen. Watch out my battery, dude. It's on. He's a wicked. Chicken, I put it in for the last 10 minutes. You can't see nothing yet. Okay.
That's people.
Snack. Let me turn it over to the better looking side first. Wow. Look at that ice cream cake. Shh. I'm gonna need no co-star. People, this is so good. It's so freaking good. Oh. Don't touch me either. People look on him. Stop that. Look, people, how the door is open. Just look how the door is open. And my father is right outside. Right out there. You can't even see tree crease right there, so. It's just so disgusting, man. Anyways, people, they are about to go watch one show. I don't know when I go watch. Go up and look at Amazon Prime. I feel like I watch everything out on Netflix. If you guys know any good murder mystery movies, shows on Netflix, comment them down below. Don't tell me the popular ones because I probably already watched them, like Who Killed Sarah. We killed those, like. So yeah, let me know. As I said, let me know. Good Girls already watched. Just let me know. Okay, Outer Banks already watched. Blood and Water already watched. I think it's either June or July. It's either June or July. It's gonna update me more than likely because I watched it, and I watched it twice.
Watch it. Alright.
So yeah, comment them down below so I can watch them, because that's what I like to watch. Murder, mystery shows, crime. Not really crime because I'm over the first 48, those type of things, like over it. I'm into like investigation, discovery, like that's what I live for. So if you know any good things related to that, let me know. I Am a Killer watched. Unsolved Mysteries watched. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna figure out something to watch, and yeah, I just wanted to come show you guys my little snack. Dinner was great. Dinner was fantastic. Didn't even get to show you guys the plate.
Yo, plate.
Daddy, I'll go eat. I'll go show you a few plate. Come on, let me show y'all. You're not eating any, period. Oh, he messed it up. Sir, why'd you have to put my rice on the plate? Why'd you have to put my rice on the plate?
I'm hungry.
Jesus Christmas. People, you can't even see the chicken, but it's in there somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, so that was dinner. Say hi, Nelly. Say hello. Say hello to my friends. Hello. They miss you, you know?
Really?
Yes, they do. Say hi to them. When they see you in the streets, don't you hail them too?
Yeah.
Exactly. So say hi to the ones that don't see you in the streets. Yeah, people. So that's his plate. Salt free. Salt free. They're living a healthy lifestyle here. So you don't need no ketchup. What do you need ketchup for? There's already ketchup there.
Let me eat them, man.
Who put ketchup on cucumber? Oh my gosh, that is so gross, Deli. I've never have seen this.
So much rice.
No, not even rice. He put ketchup on cucumbers and tomato. Ugh. Yuck. Yuck. Yeah, come on, go wake up and bang steel and bend steel. Yep, that is Delroy. That's one thing that's never going to change. His phone is going to ring 24/7. 24/7. Yeah, but I always tell him he needs to have a cutoff time. There's family time. Like, yeah, you're a boss, but you know, there has to be a time where people respectfully know you cannot call me at these hours. Period. Poo. Nobody now call me 10 o'clock about balloon. You man? That's reality TV time. Anyways, people, that was the food. Later, peeps. Bye. Don't forget to comment down the stuff below. Don't forget to comment down the stuff below, okay? Help me out, okay? Thank you. Love you.
Long distance loving. I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you this something. My care can dance from this long thing.